How to withdraw money from Kucoin to bank account. The first thing to be reminded, it's much better to use your laptop or PC rather than doing it on your phone because there's actually much more space. So what you need to do is to access kucoin.com and make sure to log into your account and then make sure as well that your account is fully verified. Now, on my end, it is not yet verified because this is just for tutorial purposes. Now, once you log into your account, just hover your mouse to assets and click on it. Now you'll be brought to this page. All you have to do on the left corner of your screen is go ahead to withdraw. Now before I forget, you need to remember that you need to have a Binance account for you to be able to transfer monies over from KuCoin to Binance and then head over directly to your bank account. Then from here, it says complete verification. So this is what I'm talking about earlier. You need to verify your account first before doing this process. And then make sure to complete the security steps for withdrawals. So basically that's how you withdraw money from KuCoin to bank account.